Welcome to the Cosmic Patterns YouTube channel. Once again, thank you very much for your visit, and I hope you click on subscribe if you haven't yet so that we can continue doing this and providing you this service. Today I'm going to show you how to change or access the chart database from the Windstar Express to the Windstar Pro. So if you have both Windstar Express and Windstar Pro, you can share the database. I'm showing you the Windstar Express version 7 and access to the Windstar Pro version 7's database. Okay, here you go. If you can see my mouse in here, my pointer, I will click on New. The data entry screen, the enter chart data is then displayed right here. And you click on Windstar here, this button. Click on Windstar. And then click on this little icon, show birth data. You click on this. And then this window is displayed. You click on here, up here. Okay, and you look for this folder. You go to Drive C. And you look for this folder, Matrix 7. Okay, it's right here, Matrix 7. And from here, you click on Chart 70 folder. And then from here, you select the most current database. In my case, I have the this current database is the current one. This other one is old. But if I want to access this, I can also click on this. And then here you go. These are the name database. And you click on OK. Okay, from now on, your database access is now from the Windstar program. Okay, I hope you get that. Thank you very much. Bye-bye for now.